So this is an entrance from the kitchen. There's a laundry here. It's very convenient because you can just get laundry detergent for free from the office, and you can wash the clothes all you want, which is in India a little bit of a problem. I mean, you can definitely wash things by hand, but it is so much quicker, obviously, if you can use a machine, and easier on your hands. So actually, I started this video to show you the roof and the view. So you will go completely gaga and come here tomorrow. So look at this. So you have a roof here, the roof here. They have what do you call it? The electric panels, solar panels, and you can see these are water tanks which heat up the water. So hot water here comes from the sun. It's very nice, actually. And now I want just to show to you how amazing this whole place is. See how nice. By the way, while you're looking at this beauty, the room I've got is not the smallest. This is like the cheapest room with air conditioner. I did not need air conditioner, but just in case I decided to be safe and get air conditioned room. You can very nicely do without air conditioner with there are 3 fans in the room. Look at this. There's a peacock there. Let me see if I can zoom in. They never show their tail, you know, the spread out tail. Here's a female there. That's the same one I showed in the other video. And these are wild peacocks. These are the most beautiful peacocks in the world, and this is their natural habitat. They exist in these forests right there. By the way, housing is provided to the staff here. So these are the small huts, whatever you want to call them, residences where you know, cleaners and managers and those people who treat you, and let's call them nurses, live. What's interesting here is that excuse me, the staff here, the female staff, are mostly local people who commute from nearby villages. There is actually a town in that direction. It's only like 5-minute drive by motor rickshaw or taxi. And if you go in that direction, in about an hour plus, you will get to city Coimbatore, which is, they call it Manchester of India. It's a major textile center. So anyway, going back to the stuff, the boys, the guys who treat men, because men treat men, women treat women, they are from an orphanage, and they're basically being groomed, trained here. They're about 20 years old. They're completely competent, but you can tell that they're, you know, still very young to release into the wild, so to speak. I'm guessing that in 2, 3, 4, 5 years, they will have plenty of experience here in this clinic, and also will be mature enough to get married or whatever they want. They're very, very sweet. If you've seen a few pictures I've taken with them, they're wonderful. Really, really. I mean, people here, actually, all of them, all people here are just amazing.